How's it going, everyone? So we're back, and it's about time to have a crack at fitting this puppy. Winch for Colorado. So front bar in Colorado is just a factory. I think it's called the Nullarbor steel bar. It's not a winch compatible bar, but me being me, I'm going to modify it, mount this puppy here to the chassis rails, make some brackets up. So yeah, I've done quite a bit of research on what sort of bracketry I need, and yeah, I've got a universal winch cradle that I can cut up and or use parts of it to mount this on there. Trim the hole for the fair lead, so it's not actually going to be in contact with the bull bar at all. It's just going to come off the cradle through the fair lead and yeah, not make contact with the bar. So should do the job. See how we go.